Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to avoid subscription tabs in health and fitness apps like Zeton or Calm on iPhone. If you've ever downloaded a free trial and then got surprised by charges, here's how to stop it. First, when you are about to download a new app, what you should do is check the App Store listing, scroll down for information in-app purchase to see all the possible subscriptions get before downloading. Next, if you start a free trial, set a reminder to cancel it before it renews. Go to calendar and then add event, and then put the trial end date and set an alert. To manage or cancel, open settings and then go to your name and then click on subscriptions. Here you see every active subscription including Platon, Calm or others. Tap the one, then choose cancel subscription to stop future charges. For extra safety, you can ask to buy in family sharing. This week is or other family members can't accidentally start a subscription without your approval. Safety tip: never subscribe from pop-ups or shady websites that promise lifetime access. Always do it directly through the App Store. Quick fix: if you already charged, go to reportproblem.apple.com, sign in and request to refund under report a problem. Apple often refunds accidental renewals. Subscribe for more quick fixes.